What is an object in Salesforce? Objects are containers for your information. They are just like database tables where you store the record information. Object fields are columns in your object table. What are the types of objects in Salesforce? Salesforce has various types of objects: standard objects, custom objects, external objects, platform events, and big objects are all types of objects. Standard and custom objects are the two most common types of objects. Standard objects are those that come with Salesforce. Account, contact, lead, and opportunity are all examples of standard business objects. Custom objects are objects that you create to store information that is specific to your company or industry. If you sell books online, for example, you can create book and author custom objects. What types of fields we can create in Salesforce? A data type specifies the type of information that a field stores. Salesforce supports a wide range of data types. Here are some examples of common data types. Auto number, a system-generated sequence number that uses a display format you define. The number is automatically incremented for each new record. Formula, a read-only field that derives its value from a formula expression you define. The formula field is updated when any of the source fields change. Email, allows users to enter an email address, which is validated to ensure proper format. If this field is specified for a contact or lead, users can choose the address when clicking send an email. Note that custom email addresses cannot be used for mass emails. Number, allows users to enter any number. Leading zeros are removed. Phone, allows users to enter any phone number. Automatically formats it as a phone number. Text, allows users to enter any combination of letters and numbers. Time, allows users to enter a local time. What are the two main object relationships? Lookup relationships. A lookup relationship connects two objects so that you can look up one object from the related items on another. Lookup relationships can be one-to-one or one-to-many. This means that object A record can be linked to object B record, or object A record can be linked to multiple records of object B and vice versa. Master detail relationships. While lookup relationships are relatively casual, master detail relationships closely links objects together. In this type of relationship, one object is the master and another is the detail. The master record controls certain behavior of the detail and subdetail. The detail object does not function as a standalone in a master-detail relationship. It is highly reliant on the master. In fact, deleting a record on the master object deletes all of its related detail records. When creating master-detail relationships, the relationship field is always created on the detail object. What is Schema Builder? Schema Builder is a tool that allows you to visualize and edit your data model. It's useful for designing and comprehending complex data models. Here are some of the things you can do with Schema Builder: create and delete custom objects, edit custom object properties, create and delete custom fields, edit custom field properties, manage custom field permissions. How do we import data into Salesforce? Salesforce provides two main methods for data import. Data Import Wizard. This tool, you can find in the Setup menu, allows you to import data from common standard objects such as contacts, leads, and accounts, as well as data from custom objects. It has the ability to import up to 50,000 records at once. It offers a simple interface for configuring the configuration parameters, data sources, and field mappings, which map the field names in your import file to the field names in Salesforce. Data Loader. This is a client application capable of importing up to 5 million records of any data type at a time from files or a database connection. It can be controlled via the user interface or the command line. In the latter case, you must use configuration files to specify data sources, field mappings, and other parameters. This enables the import process to be automated using API calls. When should you use a data loader or a data import wizard? Use the data import wizard when You need to load less than 50,000 records. The objects you need to import are supported by the wizard. You don't need the import process to be automated. Use Data Loader when you need to load 50,000 to 5 million records. If you need to load more than 5 million records, we recommend you work with a Salesforce partner or visit the App Exchange for a suitable partner product. You need to load into an object that is not supported by the data import wizard. You want to schedule regular data loads, such as nightly imports. How to export data from Salesforce. Salesforce provides two primary methods for data export. Data Export Service. This tool can be found in the Setup menu. It allows you to manually export data once every 7 days, for weekly export, or 29 days, for monthly export. You can also schedule data exports at weekly or monthly intervals. In the Enterprise, Performance, and Unlimited editions, weekly exports are available. Backup files can be generated only every 29 days or automatically at monthly intervals in Professional Edition and Developer Edition. Data Loader. This is a client application capable of exporting Salesforce data as well. What exactly is a Lightning app? Lightning apps in Lightning Experience provide your users with access to groups of objects, tabs, and other items in a single convenient bundle in the navigation bar. Lightning apps allow you to customize the color and logo of your app. Your Lightning app can even include utility bar and Lightning page tabs. Members of your organization can work more efficiently by switching between apps with ease. What is most important to sales representatives? Accounts, occasions, and organizations. What about sales executives? The top of the list are reports and dashboards. What functions do compact layouts serve? Compact layouts determine which fields appear in the Highlights panel at the top of a record. They also have control over the fields that appear when you hover over a link in Record Details and in the Details section when you expand an activity in the Activity timeline. Compact layouts help users be more productive by presenting them with key record information that allows them to manage their work more easily.